It was a brief first appearance. It was basically
go to incident everyone is talking in Boro everywhere. I am not here bringing politics, but Lama political arena in Zangalayo, the political formations that's gone. I did not even see Satu. The Melanie never mem. Bagaba never vele sees my opinion here with Bati. I am worried now with Labantuana. Passages this way, passages this are my political parties. Bantanabam, and Gan Pumen and Avanzavandabatal. Let the end take a first break. Umfundisi had no right. Ugutaham, they attacked the weapons of mass destruction. By intimidator scholar. They are young learners. Abantuana was a primary. Labantona, they are affected. They are dealing with the trauma and the torture by experience is on. Mara, that did not say that is wrong that was committed by Umfundisi. Manje made the correction of Munyu wrong. Two wrongs will not make any right. My 13 electoral primary. Mara, I saw high school learners. Bakichima Pambil, Bangana police station, Puma, Bashi Satan and Ramfundis. Italian Ramfundis, Gunavazalbenu, Abasonta Lapa, Umfundis at some point. He was a good citizen. He is a human being like everybody else, like you and me. Laba mistakes and ones are Laba mistakes. Naye, Utelele or Wenzel. But they did not allow anybody who would asuge Nipume from a scale, but the opportunity. Laba mistakes are fully gate. Funubas and Tanjuta and one. Labantwana baphuma kanjani esikolweni la kunesikolo makungathiwa kunala uniform enhle kangaka chocolate yabonakala somewhere labantwana bayenza into wrong mina ngifuna i-department ibuye isuspend uprincipal udeputy principal ne-admin yakhe yonke bese bamisa nalabo bathi bayi-SGB le-school governing body. We can't have young people abasirulayo. We can't have young people abasibusayo. There is no way. I went to a school in Kakahong, Alafang. When I got there, bankhuluma ngabantwana kanje uprincipal uyenza ungidonsa ngebhanji uthi hey Putem ungabathethisi kakhulu manihamba bazoshaya. So ngizelanga ipolitiki namhlanje. I am saying to you ngalesikolo senu, let the new revolution start ngani. Sometimes masikhuluma kakhulu le ndaba esifaka ama-alphabet anisizwa mele sizehlise sizilinganise nani sikhulume the issues of life. Bantwana bami, if future is too bright mawusoba yabona mawungaqala ubheme something noma babuza i-direction ukuthi iphi indawo eso information iba slow. Abantu ababhema insango banokuhamba bayi-2 bayafika bayabhemisana. Ngiyababuza ukuthi why ningacabuzani ngoba ngiyakhotha niphane yona ngcono mntabuzane wangi ngoba lamanyala niwabone noyenzayo. Omunye ukhuluma something manje i-process engqondo yakhe the way slow ngakhona. Omunye mabafika kulesa stop sign says 2 kana respond ukuthi hey yazi ukhuluma iqiniso. So yonke lento eyenzakalayo meniyela ukudriver sivuke ekseni size la umasoka athi mfethu kunenkinga esikolweni kunabantwana abavuke injebo labantwana sekuyiba abasiphethe esikolweni. There is no way bomenier educators bengicela ukuthi sithathe our rightful position. There is no way i-country yethu ingalidwa abantwana abancane sirulwe yibo. There's a principle menier, it's called ukuthi from a parent to a child. Now say vice versa. You know why? Labantwana bazalwa ma-2000 umamako una 30 wena una 15. That is why we do understand most of the families, most of the families are child-headed families. They are very intentional. They have lost something precious because political leaders ngama-agendas namhlanje abafundisi bayakhuluma hey vele wena bowulwa noBushiri. It is not about church, it's not about umbo, it's about you guys. So bengicela nje ukuthi lento eyenzakela izolo ngikondema ngayo yonke indlela ekhona in every possible way. Now bomem ngitshela inkinga labantwana banazo as I sit down. I-problem enkulu ngene ezikoleni eziningi menier enikole engiyekuza I realize ukuthi abantwana they are dealing with a lot. Mara silungiseni le ndaba bantwana bami Kune-new phenomenon ngesilungu. There's a new consent or a growing consent. Niyabhala ama-exams, nenza zonke into enizenza esinganithumanga ukuthi nizenze. Umntwana esikolo namhlanje meniyera ufeyile i-exam. Manje ufeyile i-exam ubuya sekafaka ama-beats, sekayethwasa yena. Ukutshela umama babakho ukuthi wangusisi wakho ukuthi uthemba ngathi akathanda izangoma akathanda inyanga. Anginankinga. Akusikhabo sangoma akusikhabo nyanga kusesikoleni la siyazwana. Lana akusikhabo drug dealer. La kusesikoleni sizofunda sizela ngamanyala wakho. Asizelanga uzo-entertainer wena. Wena mawuhambile walahla i-boyfriend soyabuya ucabanga ukuthi uyothwasa ngoba ulahla i-boyfriend. Into enizenzayo and lento it's called a self-inflicted pain. Many labantwana I'm saying nabo they are dealing with the Lord. Marabo mem labo badla ama-antidepressant. Namhlanje bazi izinto ze-depression because of you guys. Umama wakho babakho abanandaba into eyenzakala esikolweni izolo. Let me tell you what I was going to do. If ever bengibona umntwana be-TV abhiza light ashisa isonto likampolo, namhlanje bekayothathwa emnyimuse Boksburg prison. There is no way labazali bayasithengisa. Abazali benu they've turned this school into a dumping zone. Akusikuse dot box la. Ngoba unuhlulile kithi bakulahleka la lo meme bena stress ngawo. Ayisebenzi kanjani. Bona inkinga ntani ninike bona one by one. Abantwana bami laba ngifuna ba doctor bonke. One problem ninginika yena one by one. Sonke sinenkinga zethu. Wena njengoba ucabanga ukuthi usokola ngento sokola ngayo nami ngama problems wami. Manje wena ufuna ukuthi kume isikolo sonke. Abantwana be-matric they are gearing up. Bafuna ukuphasa abantwana bafuna ukufunda balale ebusuku. Wena ubhemana ney'nsango uma ufika udisturb isikolo ngoba ufundanga. Yekela lowo moya obhedayo. Njengoba nila nonke bafana bakithi. Esesikolo isigqoko ngiyasivumela meniyena. Ngicela nilungiseni lento. La i-18 bizana ama-comrade makube ninawo. Lawo abantu bama-comrade bancede bame la babeka ama-dustbin. Anyone ozofika afaka isigqoko nyana esibhedayo esekhangolo resenike faka isigqoko e-dustbin. Sesikolweni la sise-rubbish bin la. Azange uzodlala. Lento esiyibonayo engaka thina nisihlaze kanje i-South Africa because ama-grootman wena wakhuluma abomameni ba-selfish abakhulumi. School governing body sithulile asikhulumi ifakhona. Kuthiwa kune-teachers union isathu abantwana bagcwele ikatlong bayoshisana namasonto nikhona nibancane kangaka amanyala wakuphi nisithatha kanjani. So sekumele thina ingqondo zethu zime ngoba nifuna nje ukutrenda i-social media. Abantu bezindaba akekho afuna ukhuza apha amaphoyisa abantwana basuke baphuma esikoleni bayoshisa bangene police station amaphoyisa yabayeka apha ama-traffic cop the law enforcement agencies. I-country yethu is going down to the dogs. Namhlanje abantwana abancane they are taking over. I want to tell you namhlanje nizothi banikhesile niloyiwe. There is no future without you. Lento niyenzayo niyenzela nina. Abantwana benu base bebenza the very same thing. Bekangitshela leyo nto umama ngicabanga ukuthi umama ngathi kunento ayidlile bekangabhemi ngisho isinave. Mara bengifuna ukuthi hayi lo mama uyangisokolisa. Lento ngikhuluma namhlanje awukho omnye nomnye bakabuyela ekhaya. Ufike usho let's change our ways. It is very important. We cannot change our past. We can only change and influence the future. I'm not here to sing praises. He's going to face the mighty hand of the law. All right, every citizen. I wish you would manage to take the law into their own hands. But it's wrong. I get me of Kuluma. I'm even a leader or a church leader. Instead, they're riding on the wave because
It was a brief first appearance. It was basically just to place the charges before court for the charges against all three accused. As you have indicated, the ones that appeared now is the Mutwenings, the father and son, as well as the bodyguard who is Mr. Baloyi. So they are facing a whole range of charges. We have about 12 charges amongst themselves. So the case has been postponed to the 16th of August for the state to prepare for the bail hearing. So we still have outstanding investigations in respect of the bail application that they want to bring before court. And amongst those is the profiling of all the accused persons, the verification of their addresses, and so on. So also what we can indicate as the NPA and confirm is that we have received 5 dockets in total. Dockets emanating from the incident that happened at the Matshidiso Primary School on Monday the 5th of August. So out of those dockets, we have joined 2 of the dockets. One where a matter was reported by a person who was at the school, a matter of malicious damage to property. So that case was opened against accused number 1, who is Paseka Mutweni, also known as Mboro. So we have joined that docket into the main docket, where all 3 of them are charged with various charges ranging from kidnapping, possession of unlawful, unlicensed firearms, and possession of prohibited firearms, discharging a firearm, assault by way of threat, common assault. So they face a whole range of charges. As I've indicated, there's 12 of them, but not all accused face 12 charges. There are some charges that relates only to accused number 1, for instance, the one of kidnapping. Then there are charges that relates to accused number 1 and 3, who is Mutweni and the bodyguard. That is possession of prohibited firearm and possession of unlicensed firearms. Now we are left with 3 dockets. There was one opened by the station commander of Katlehong against the uncle of the children. Then we have another docket that was opened by accused number 2, Revival Mutweni, against the maternal side of the children, against the grandmother and the uncle, which is one of assault. Then we have the one opened by Mboro himself against the grandmother of the children, which is also a docket of common assault. And the last docket, the one by the station commander, is a very serious charge, one of attacking a police officer. So that docket also will be enrolled in court, and then we'll hear from the court whether or not the accused is ready to bring forth a bail.